let me show you an easy way to get picture-in-picture on YouTube. Picture-in-picture doesn't work for videos that are labeled as made for kids, and also doesn't work for some music videos, but it will work on all other videos. Now on your iPhone or Android, let's first get into your settings. Keep in mind you need to turn on picture-in-picture both on your iPhone in the settings, and you need to turn it on YouTube for it to work fully. So from the settings app of your phone, tap on General and then Picture-in-Picture. You can see Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. Let's turn this on. And now we've turned this on for your phone itself, but from here we need to enable it in the YouTube app. So let's open up YouTube and get to the settings by tapping on U and the gear icon at the top right. Now within the settings, they've moved this around a bit. It used to be in the general settings, but now it's towards the bottom. You need to scroll down, and in video and audio preferences, let's go to playback here. From here, you can see picture-in-picture. I can turn it on and I'll show you how it works. Let's hop out here. Let's just play a random video by me, and you can see if I start playing it and I hop out, you'll be able to see it plays it here. Now I can pause, fast forward it. I can even move it around, and I can swipe it to the right, and it's not fully closed. There you can see I can swipe it over to be able to see it again. I can always open up various other apps and play those apps in the background while the picture-in-picture video is constantly playing.